You almost died over there, bro.
I got a little squirrely on me.
A little.
Absolutely, you're not allowed to crash.
Oh, I'm not.
If you crash, man, you're gonna get fried.
Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Liz, aka MotoBroo, and we out here on the little 50. You know the vibe, we hit the shred wide right away. Woo! Let's go. As you can see, bro, we're at Florida's best skate park. This is literally the biggest skate park in Florida, and it's flipping sick. Let's go! You know the vibe.
Are you MotoBroo?
Yeah.
What's up?
What's good, bro?
I watch all your videos.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I appreciate you watching, bro.
Yeah, bro.
I'm gonna bring it up.
I was like, is that MotoBroo?
Yeah, what's good, bro?
How you been?
Good. Yeah, this thing's a little scary because like it's so damn small. It's hard to and control it good.
Big bike. Get up.
Yeah, big bike's easier. Like, subscribe, comment. You know the deal. Woohoo! Let's go! I think I've completely, huh?
I said, do you ride for real or you just got that little pit bike?
I ride for real, but not on the track.
Oh, you ride track?
No, I don't ride the track. I just do wheelies and
Yeah, you ride in the streets. Right?
yeah. I got a YZ125, Honda 150.
Yeah.
Hello. Homie's definitely looking up the rules right now if motor vehicles are allowed in there, bro, I swear. I'm going for a 270 on that hit, boys. Wish me luck. Dude, we almost had a 180, bro. Let's go.
You have a Honda?
Yeah, a little 50.
I used to ride the 450 CRF.
Okay.
Put my arm.
Yeah.
Used to do this shit all the time. Dude. It's so much fun.
Hell yeah.
You just like fucking around here?
Yeah, just, I mean, if I bring a big bike here, everyone's gonna be complaining and yelling.
So freaked out.
Yeah. It's happened before at a skate park, so.
Suspension, this is so good right here, dude. Oh my god.
Bro.
Absolutely, you're not allowed to crash.
Oh, I'm not.
Because if you crash, man, you're gonna get fried.
I try to stay out of everyone's way, so.
Well, it's really not for motor stuff.
No, I know, but it's so small, it's like.
Yeah, you know, it can only kill you a little bit. Yeah.
I'll probably be. I'll probably be here like 10 minutes and then I'm gone, so.
And if you kill somebody else, oh man. Oh, you're double fried.
I mean, if this bike can kill someone, then.
Don't kill anybody, don't kill yourself.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Cool security. We got all the skaters here. It's the little kids section. And this is if you got giant balls right here, bro. Look at this. We got the beautiful little 50. Bro, I'm having so much fun on this little 50. It's insane, bro. Who would have known? Who would have flipping known, bro? We got homie on the 50. Bro, I'm letting everyone try out the 50. Huh? Don't do it. You're gonna loop it. So the 50 is turning into a hoe. I'm just letting everyone shred her. She definitely a thotty now.
How does it work?
Just kick it.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, I hope he knows he can shift. Oh! Whoa! Oh my god! Hey, shift! Shift! It's got another gear. Just shift up.
I know how to ride that.
Are you good? You almost died over there, bro.
I got a little squirrely on me.
A little.
Right now, in this time, like,
Yeah, I'm glad you saved it. Bro, we're shredding, dude. Kidding me? Woohoo! That's a little too scary, bro. Hell no. I was thinking about, I was like, bro, should I drop in right there? But that's literally like 10-foot vert quarter. It's not even like a straight quarter. Alright, we're gonna hit the little box jump. Woo! Yeah, boy, we cleared that, boy. That was easy work right there. I cleared it, right? Yeah, let's go. We'll go round 2, clearing it. Y'all can go. Everyone waiting on me. Ah! Bro, I have no clutch, so like when I go down on the gear, it just freaking goes. The engine brakes is yelling. Bro, this little 50 is a little sketchy in the park, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. Hey, I appreciate you. Yeah. Have a good one. I'm leaving, so you don't have to deal with me no more. Yeah. Oh, great video. So, yeah, you know the deal. Have a good one. Yeah, shout out that security guard. We're literally the coolest mofo security guard in the world. Let's go. Alrighty, gang, I hope you enjoyed today's video at the skate park. Everyone was cool as shit. So shout out all the skaters and everyone for being cool. Yeah. Yes, sir. And stay motivated. We freaking love you. Till next time. Peace.